What if I told you that there are manifestation techniques that go beyond the usual affirmations and vision board? Techniques that are rooted in ancient practices and neuroscience that can truly transform your reality. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into three manifestation techniques that are potent yet lesser known. These methods are designed to align your subconscious mind with your deepest desires to deliver results. So without waiting, let's dive into the video. So Abraham Hicks suggested that if a single pure thought is held for 17 seconds in your mind, it begins to attract similar light vibrational thoughts. And at 68 seconds, which is 4 times 17, this focus becomes so strong that it starts to manifest tangible shifts in your reality. So, how do we do it? Step 1, choose your intention. Pick your clear and specific desire, like I'm attracting my dream job. Next, set a timer to track those 17 seconds. This will ensure that you do not lose focus and do not get distracted. Next, sit down and close your eyes. Now, take a few deep breaths. It will help center yourself and it helps in a little bit of grounding. Now, once you know that you've grounded, hold that vision of your desire. Hold that thought for 17 seconds. Visualize it. Feel it. Feel all the emotions connected to it: joy, excitement, gratitude. Next step is, once you've held on for 17 seconds, let's try to amplify it a little bit and stretch it to 68 seconds. What we're doing here is moving from attracting like vibrational things to actually manifesting them in a reality where a tangible shift is created. Now, I'll give you a few key tips to make sure that it's a success. Number one, your emotions are key. Your emotional vibration is what fuels this manifestation. So, the more genuine happiness, gratitude, and excitement you feel for those 17 seconds, the better. Second, do it daily because consistency is key. Now, this ensures that you're consistently in the energy, in the vibrational match of your desired reality. So, the chances of your desired reality manifesting into your present comes much quicker, much higher. Next, avoid overthinking. We are not going to think about how to make it happen. We are only going to make ourselves a vibrational match of our desired reality and let the universe do the rest of the work. Now, you can do it first thing in the morning because that's what I do. As soon as I wake up with the thought of my desired reality, close my eyes, and then for 68 seconds, hold that thought. It's much easier to focus in the morning because there are very less distractions and you wake up with a clear head. So that's what I'm going to suggest. Scripting with emotional intensity. Scripting is a process where we write down our deepest desires on a paper as if they have already happened. It's essentially journaling but with a twist. So we are not recounting our days, but we are crafting a future as if it's a present. So, how does scripting work? It works by subconscious programming. When we write down something repeatedly with conviction, we are telling our subconscious mind a new story to believe in. Scripting also helps us with emotional resonance because emotions are key to a law of attraction. They align your vibration with the vibration of your desires. Lastly, it also helps you get clarity and helps you focus. Writing forces you to be specific. The more precise you are, the easier it is for your subconscious mind and the universe to get to work. Now let's see how to do this. Step 1, set the scene. Choose a quiet place so that you will not disturb. Now, play soft music or do a small meditation. Then, write in present tense. Instead of writing, I will attract a great job, write, I am so thankful for this amazing job that allows me to thrive and grow. Make it feel as real and as vivid as possible. Now, engage all your senses. While writing, imagine what you will see, touch, taste, smell in your new reality. For example, I can feel the leather on my chair in my new office. My coffee is rich and delicious and it sets me up for a brilliant day ahead. Next, infuse emotions. Now, this is key. Feel the joy, excitement, peace that you would feel in your desired reality, but feel it now. Don't just write, I'm happy. Write, I feel a deep sense of contentment and fulfillment as I walk into my new job every day. Then be consistent. Practice this every day or a few days a week to deeply imprint this thought on your subconscious mind. By consistently scripting with emotional depth, you will imprint on your subconscious mind and program it in such a way that your desired reality becomes your reality right now. Our brain cannot differentiate between a thought and what's really happened. So, by thinking about something that you want to happen, you trick your brain into believing that it is what has happened. So, when you're thinking, think positive thoughts, think about your desired reality. This is why your emotions play the key role. You have to feel all the emotions that you would feel in a new reality before you step into that reality. Feel them now. You become a vibrational match to everything that you desire. For maximum impact, be specific. The more detailed you are, the more real it gets for your subconscious mind. And stay positive and avoid negative phrases like, I'm not broke anymore. Instead, you could write, I have 10 lakh rupees in my bank account. And lastly, after you've done scripting and emotionally engaging with the desired reality, let it go. Let it go on to live your life, and let the universe do the rest of the things. Now, this method is known by a few people, and it's not as less known as the previous two methods. For those who don't know, 369 method got popular after it was associated with Nikola Tesla, who believed that these numbers are the keys to the universe. He believed that these three numbers hold the universal code of creation and alignment. The 3 being the number of creation and intention, 6 for flow and harmony, and 9 for completion and fulfillment. Using these three numbers in your daily affirmations helps you tap into this energetic blueprint. This is a very simple method. In the morning, you get up and with a clear head, write down your specific manifestations 3 times. Now be short, crisp, but specific. Like, I'm grateful for my thriving business that brings me financial stability. Now, in the afternoon, write the same manifestation 6 times. The repetition keeps your intention alive and centers your energy. Now, at night, before sleeping, write the same manifestation 9 times. This is where you seal the manifestation into your subconscious mind as you drift off to sleep. But you can also supercharge this method. Here are some bonus tips. Maintain the same journal for all your 369 manifestations. This creates a sacred container of intention. Visualize and feel. As you're writing down in your diary, visualize and feel the emotions that you would feel in your reality. Go to sleep with that emotion held in your body. Let your subconscious mind feel the energetic change in you. And lastly, be consistent. The more consistent you are, the higher the chances of your desired reality coming in quicker. So do it for at least 21 to 30 days. This will rewire your subconscious and align your reality with your desires. Experiment with these techniques and observe the shift in your reality. Don't forget to share experiences in the comments below, and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for transformative content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.